Hi, I'm Dr. James Guyton. I got into medicine, I was from a big medical family, and I'm number 8 of 10, and all my siblings in front of me became doctors, so it was pretty easy to make the decision. Well, orthopedics was easy for me. My brothers and sisters went into other things, but around the house we were all very mechanical. We built things, we built boats, we built go-karts, radio-controlled planes, put together microwaves, that sort of thing when I was a kid. And so orthopedics was just a natural extension of where I'd been all my life, I think. Well, I was up in Chicago. I'd done my fellowship in joint replacement. I was looking to get close to my home and to be at a good place. And so I looked all around the South, and this was the place I wanted to be. One is I've done hip preservation surgery for a long time. Started it in '94, I think. And so I've done a lot of that, and that would probably be the thing that would set me apart. And then this isn't apart from some of the other partners, but I've really enjoyed getting into anterior hip replacement.